Jonard Industries CT200 Universal Compression Tool is designed for use on F-connectors RJ45, RJ6, and RJ11, BNC connectors RJ59 and RJ6, and RCA connectors RJ59 and RJ6. This patented Universal Compression Tool's unique design features a dual head and an adjustment dial, making it the perfect tool for technicians dealing with multiple connectors. Its versatility also eliminates the need to carry multiple tools. The CT200 is compatible with most connectors, including PPC, Corning Gilbert, Thomas & Betts, Digicon, plus many other brands and styles including F, RCA, and BNC types. Please visit our website at www.jonard.com for more information on connector sizes, styles, and compatibility. To use the CT200, first prep the cable using the Jonard UST500. Next, select the proper connector type on the plunger and insert the plunger into the CT200. And finally, determine the size of your connector and adjust the dual head by twisting it either to the left or to the right. Next, open the handle and extract the plunger. There are 3 clearly marked settings to choose from: one for F connectors, one for BNC, and one for RCA connectors. Insert the plunger with your chosen style of connector back into the holder. Finally, adjust the dial to the setting required for compression. Insert the cabled connector you are using into the tool and close the handle. If full compression has not been achieved, adjust the dial further and squeeze. For the first connector, you might have to make several adjustments to the dial to make the proper compression. For additional connectors, just insert and squeeze. Jonard Industries offers a full line of fiber optic, CATV, and other popular hand tools. Be sure to check out our tools on the web or request our catalog. We thank you for choosing Jonard Industries, a technologically advanced manufacturer and your source for high-quality tools.